from my given disaster. Speed away from the holy mind.
Hi guys, welcome back to Lali Lali Bali. In this video we will see the current situation of one of the beaches located in Denpasar city, where this beach is one of the famous beaches in Bali, namely Sanur Beach. The location of the Sanur Beach in Bali is in the eastern part of the city of Denpasar. The distance from Ngurah Rai Airport is about 17 kilometers via the toll route. Estimated travel time is approximately 35 minutes. Without further ado, let's go straight to the beach.
Driving along the road tonight, lost my head over my back between the jars and bottle jack. Just me and all the red lights. Keep on driving and driving.
Sanur Beach is not only famous for its beach tourism. Around this tourist attraction there are also many types of restaurants with regional specialties, and there are also various kinds of hotels to stay at. When we arrived at the location, this beach was observed to be crowded, because the Balinese government had reopened the tourist attraction on the island of Bali.
It looks like in rain. I swear I never thought it would matter. If I'm gone by now, all my weakness keep on linger on repeat like it will be my favorite song. Oh, I know I should be moving on, but you got me.
In addition to being a tourist attraction, this Sanur Beach is a place of departure if you want to go to Nusa Penida and also Lembongan. On this Sanur Beach there are many companies that provide fast boats at the Sanur Beach pier.
My head over my back between the jars and bottle jack. Just me and all the red lights. Keep on driving and driving.
In addition to beach tourism, Sanur Beach is also famous for culinary tours located on the beach, and also in some areas around Sanur Beach, you can enjoy dinner on the beach accompanied by lights and the sound of the waves which add to the beauty of the dinner.
Stop. I can't help myself from feeling all alone. But you got me good. But you got me good.
When you walk south from this beach, you will find an art market that sells various kinds of Balinese souvenirs, ranging from clothes, bags, hats. There are also statues, Balinese masks, and much more. There is a road on the coast. Sanur Beach, Bali is one of the most famous white sand beach attractions on the island of Bali. Every day Sanur Beach is always crowded with tourist visits, both foreign tourists and Indonesian tourists. The history of Sanur Beach as a vacation spot on the island of Bali was introduced in 1937 by an artist from Belgium, named A.J. Lemeyer. This Belgian artist has a Balinese wife named Nee Pollock. A.J. Lemeyer introduced the beauty of Sanur Beach to foreign countries by making paintings about this beach and holding painting exhibitions abroad. Currently, the painting of Lemeyer is displayed in a museum located on the coast of Sanur, namely the Lemeyer Museum. There are various kinds of activities that you can do at this Sanur beach, such as swimming, water sport activities, jogging, cycling, and enjoying beautiful beach views.
So you don't know what you're doing, and the walls are closing in. Just remember where we're going, and remember where we've been. We can breathe underwater.
That's the current situation from Sanur Beach. If you want to come to this Sanur Beach, don't forget to apply the health protocol, and also wear a mask.
It doesn't matter where we are.
Well everyone, we hope you enjoy our trip today. Please stay tuned for the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. As always, stay safe and healthy, and bye for now. Peace.